Okay, so keep your cameras off, boys and girls. And then I'm going to give you the directions for today. Okay, so I'm presenting now. Morning meeting. Good morning, class. Today we will not have ELA or Math Live. However, you have gym at 11 a.m. Your teachers, Ms. Dinsmore and Mrs. Shiaza. This is your to-do list. Number 1, fill out that attendance form. Number 2, there's an ELA Nearpod that we were going to do together, but now you're going to do on your own. And there's also the ELA independent work, which is the story and the questions like we always do. So you have 2 things for ELA. Then you have the math classwork, which was in Visions. So you have to click the link and join a Visions from Ms. Shiaza. And then you have Pixton Comic, and you have to make it about remote learning. So you guys are going to go on Pixton again. This is a fun activity for you to do. You're going to go on Pixton again, and you're going to create a comic strip. So a comic strip is when you tell a story using pictures and words, and it's connected, right? You use like bubbles to say what you're thinking or say what you want your character to say. So it's going to be about you, and it's going to be about how you feel about remote learning, okay? And you're gonna have at least 4 boxes. You can have more than 4, but it has to be at least 4. More than 4 is okay, but at least 4. Now, if you're going to tell me, oh, I can't figure out Pixton, or oh, it doesn't work for me, then it's okay. You're gonna do something different. You're going to type a story, and then you're gonna send it to me in a comment. So in a comment, you're gonna say, hi, my name is Zoe, and I feel like remote learning is really cool. And then you're gonna say a whole bunch of things that were really cool about it. Okay? You can either write a story or you can make the comic strip, either one, okay? And then lastly, you have iReady. You will be going on iReady for ELA for 20 minutes today, and you can go on for 20 minutes for math. Okay, so that is the plan for today, and I'm just going to show you where all your work is. That way you can have a visual of what it looks like.
I have a question. So, what happened if you did iReady for 60 minutes?
It's okay, you can do it for 20 minutes.
All right.
I have a question. Can I tell you something?
What's up, Annette?
I already did the Pixton, but I only did it with 1 box because I didn't know. I wasn't reading the whole thing.
Okay, so you can fix it and add more.
But how do I fix it without deleting it?
Then just make another one.
I have a question too.
Yes, what's up?
It's Leah. So, what I was gonna say, the Pixton, right? Like every time when I go on it, like it shows out my actual profile on Google Classroom, and I don't know why.
Wait, say that again, honey?
Like, you know, when we have to go on an app, like you send us a link, like
Yes.
when we have to pick a profile picture, it goes on my Google Classroom too.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, whatever you put as your profile picture will go for all the Google, for anything you use for Google Classroom.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. So we're gonna go over what we have to do today. You click classwork, and remember, for iPads, it's a little bit different because classwork is on the bottom. You click classwork. Today is Thursday, so you go down to Thursday, right? You click your one of your assignments. So we can click ELA independent work. You scroll down and it says Thursday reading work. If you are on an iPad, it's a little tiny purple square and it says Thursday reading work, and you click on it. You guys on an iPad or a phone have to click open in Safari or Chrome, and then you read and answer these questions. You also have the ELA live session. So you will go on, you will click the Nearpod, The code is there too. If you need the code is right there, you see? You put your name, and then you answer these questions and you watch the video. If something's not working, you click the next button. Same thing for math, you click math classwork. You click on where it says math classwork, and then it will take you there. And you have to sign in using your Google Classroom.
Wait, we have to use an email or password?
You sign in using your Google Classroom, so that with the one that you logged in with your PS10 email.
So you're trying to say I use my email in Google Classroom, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll copy it then.
So then it says Pixton Comic. You click this. So it says, make sure you have, oh, it's supposed to say 4 things. These 4 things. 1, your avatar. 2, your feelings. 3, at least 4 boxes. 4, a correct order. It's not random, so it makes sense. If you are having trouble creating a Pixton, it will not work. Do not use it. Please private comment me on Google Classroom, and you will write a story in the comments instead. So then you click this. You click sign in with Google, and then you click your Google account. And I have a teacher account, so it's not going to work. But when you do that, it'll log in with your comic. So also, if you're having trouble figuring out how to make it, I put in the comments a YouTube video on how to do it. See how to use. This is the YouTube that shows you how to work Pixton. If you're having trouble working Pixton, this is the YouTube video that shows you how to do it.
Oh, look, a video about COVID-19.
Okay. So, those are all the things that we are doing today. Does anybody have any questions? Zathan?
I do.
With a quiet hand, tell me. Zathan?
Kind of forgot what my password is.
For Google Classroom? It's
Uh-huh.
okay, so it's Fort Hill. That's everybody's
Oh,
password.
that's the foothill.
Okay.
You mean the one that I use for iReady?
Annette?
I have like, only one thing.
Annette, do you have